good, y'all? So I guess y'all just say y'all gonna sneak in my house and demand me to do an apartment tour, huh? What's good, you two? Welcome to Chico Network. I mean, I might as well just do this vlog for y'all since y'all here anyway. So, I mean, shit, let's get to it. I mean, I was trying to get something for y'all real quick, but I mean, I just been busy. I'm moving to a new state, all that. Like, I'm just trying to get reacquainted. So, my bad, y'all. You know? But I mean, shit, since y'all here, this is Chico Network. Welcome to my crib. You know, on that empty crib type shit, you know? But, let's get to it. So right now, we in the living or kitchen type of area, you know? It's mixed with like the living room. We get into that later. But like, look at these appliances, y'all. Look at that. Ooh, stainless steel, you know? Got that granite countertop, look at that. Ooh, yeah, we living good now, y'all. So we got like the stove, you know, where I'll be whipping some shit up. I got a roommate, don't let me forget that. Roommate, that's his hall, you know. Yeah, look at that. I'm just gonna let y'all get a nice little visual of how this kitchen looking. Cause it's looking right. Let me, you see the light fixtures and all, look at that. Yeah. But yeah, no, let me stop playing. So this is my fridge, you know, this is where the food happens. I don't got that much in there since I just moved, you know. The sink, got a nice little tub sink. Look at that. Niggas ain't never had that, look. So, I had like a few different choices. I had like, I could either have like an all-inclusive type of place which this is it. It has like all the furniture, all like the washer and dryer, all that good stuff. And where I could just have like a regular basic apartment that don't look nice. It's just kind of like my options wasn't looking good out here. So this couch right here, you know, this was already included. Nice couch, the table, the TV came with the crib and all that. I bought this. I'm happy about this. Look at that shit. Yeah, niggas ain't never had an IKEA lamp. Look at that. Floor light type shit. But let me take y'all out to this pool real quick. Now, before we go outside, I just want to say a couple things. This pool at night, sweet as hell. Actually, you know what? I'm about to include a picture in this video. So that way y'all can see how sweet this shit looks outside. Or at night, my bad. Let me just take y'all outside. Look, I got the double locks. I don't know what for. I'm on the second floor. Just look at this. Beautiful. People probably looking at me like, what is this nigga doing? But yeah, this is all lit up. You see the lights, it's lit up white. Got the chairs inside. Over there is like a barbecue grill, TVs that's on like 24/7. Got little tables. I wish I had one of those corner houses, apartments, but you know, it is what it is. And I got, my bad, I got my little deck, you know. I haven't added nothing out there yet, but let's go back inside. So that was a look of the pool. Like I said, it's really pretty at night. I'm gonna add that video. But this is right here. This is, we supposed to have another roommate, but we don't have nobody, so I'm not finna complain. You know, it don't make my rent any cheaper. But this is my room. This is where the magic happens. This is my room. You know, you open it up. There's me, what's good. Bathroom immediately as you walk in. More granite table or countertops, you know. This shit's so pretty to me. I love this. You know, I gotta deck it out with that gray shower curtain. You know, I'm on the phone today. My camera is just a little too big. I feel like it was just doing too much in my house, so I'm on the phone today. You walk this way, you go to the right, you know, immediately you see my TV, my bed. Nice little room, it's nothing extra, nothing too flashy. Got that little modern chair right there, that came with the apartment as well. And as soon as you walk over here, you see just the pool. Like, when it's lit up at night, it is so nice in my room, like the blue shines in, it's really, really pretty. My closet, you know, we're not finna go in there because I don't want y'all seeing all the shoes I got, all my stuff, and make you want to come over here and rob somebody because you're not finna rob me, so it's gonna be an issue. But that's basically it. I might I might include what our lobby looks like. I don't want to be down there when there's a bunch of people down there, so I might do that a little bit later. Really beautiful spot. Like, I couldn't tell you how much I love it here. I really couldn't. It's so nice. It's so much different than what I'm used to. So yeah, that's my crib. Tell me how y'all like it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I have a couple videos in mind later on. I got some things planned. Let me just say that. I got some things planned. I'm trying to get back into this YouTube stuff. I'm trying to like get my life back rolling, you know. We almost there, y'all. We almost there. So once I get there, once I'm comfortable, you know, I'm about to finally just start whipping out videos back to back to back. And you guys gonna be satisfied. I know there's a lot of y'all that is like, why ain't you making videos, da 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 da. As you can see, this is why. Like, I'm trying to just get acquainted with shit, all that good stuff. So I actually have to go to the library. You know, we in school now, so we have to go do our homework, all that. I got some things due tonight, so I'm gonna have to kick y'all out. Y'all gotta go. Y'all have to go. I gotta work. I'm sorry, y'all. I gotta go. I know it was a quick video. I know. Okay, bro. I know. Thank y'all so much for the 100 subscribers. I'm just gonna say that right now. Thanks for the 100 subscribers, because I didn't think I'd even get that far. I really didn't. And just the fact that y'all watch my videos, y'all support me. I hear y'all talking about, like, when I talk to different people, they're like, yeah, we support you, bro. We got you. Thanks for the love. That's all I can say. Thank you for the love. We're gonna keep grinding. We're gonna keep getting these videos out here. I know I'm taking a long ass time to upload them. What can I say? My bad. I'm only human. You know that. So, and this is Chico Network. Thanks for watching.
Chuki beat.